Transport Pro is designed to automatically add empty movements between loaded moves. For example, if a driver hauls a load from Tennessee to Alabama and then hauls a second load from Tennessee to Maine, the system will detect that the driver is missing an empty movement from Alabama back to Tennessee. When you put the driver on that second load from Tennessee to Maine, the system will prompt you to add the empty movement automatically. These automatic movements are based on the pickup and delivery dates set on the loaded dispatches. It is the dispatcher's responsibility to make sure that the dates are set appropriately. If the dates between two loaded dispatches overlap, Transport Pro will throw an error at dispatch warning of this problem. If the dispatcher does not correct this, the empty movement will not be created. I have added that second load from Tennessee to Maine to the system to show you how the system prompts you for the empty movement. I'm going to add my dispatch and enter the driver, tractor, and trailer I want on this load. I am now going to change the load status to dispatched. When I do this, I am prompted to insert the empty movement. You will not be prompted to insert the empty movement if you leave the load in a planned status. The prompt occurs when you change the status to dispatched or one of the other dispatch statuses. As long as you leave the box checked, the empty movement will be inserted for you. If you uncheck this box, the empty movement will not be created. In the case that you need to manually insert an empty movement, there are a couple of different ways you can do this. You can click on the Show Freight Operations Tools link in the upper right-hand corner of the Freight Operations dashboard and click on Add Empty Movement. An Add Dispatch window will open. You will see NA as the load ID. Enter the empty movement and click Save. You also have the option to add an empty movement via the Dispatch Continuity Report. Follow the path in the menu, Reports, Operational Reports, Dispatch Continuity Report. Depending on your installation, you may find it under the Load Management menu. You can filter by terminal, tractor, delivery date, and more. If you do not use any filters and just click Get Report, a list of all dispatch continuity issues will populate in the results. Here, you can see how many continuity issues a driver has. To review or edit the issues, click on the Manage icon. If you want to edit the dispatch, click on the Edit icon. If you want to add an empty movement, click on the Add Empty Movement before this load link. I am going to add an empty movement via the Dispatch Continuity Report to show you how it works. I'm going to fix one of David's issues. Here, I can see that load 10430 is from Nashville to Nashville. However, I can see that he ended in Aurora on the previous load. In order to get from Aurora to Nashville, he did an empty movement, and I can see that I need to enter that. I'm going to click on the Add Empty Move before this load link to enter that empty movement. When the Edit Dispatch window opens, I can see that the system has inserted the correct information for me. However, you should always double check this for accuracy. As long as everything looks correct, click Save. Now I can see that the empty movement has been added on David's Dispatch Continuity Report and that he is down to only one continuity issue. You can do this as many times as needed until the Dispatch Continuity Report is cleaned up. It is most efficient to review this report on a daily or weekly basis. That is how you enter empty movements in Transport Pro. If you would like to schedule a demonstration, or if you have any questions, please call us at 800-800-5917 or email us at info@transportpro.net. You can learn more about us by visiting our website, www.transportpro.net. If you are ready to sign up, you can do so by visiting the features page of our website and clicking Learn More. Thank you for watching this video.